Hi guys, welcome once again to Kitchen Flavors. So today we'll be trying this another yummy recipe, the ramyon noodle recipe. So we start by adding some unsalted butter on a hot pot. Then we add our onions. So we fry our onions for some few seconds. Then we'll be adding some paprika, cayenne pepper, bouillon powder, and some dried thyme, salt, and noodles seasoning to it. Next, we are going to give all these spices a good mix and let it cook for some few seconds. Now we are adding some lemon juice and some smoked andouille sausage to these spices. Then we give everything a good mix. So now we are going to cover this sausage to cook for some few minutes before adding our next ingredient. Look at how this looks. Oh my god. To eat, I'll be adding some jumbo shrimps. I always like taking the skin of my jumbo shrimp, so I'll be adding some jumbo shrimp to this sauce. Then I mix it together again and allow it cook for some few minutes. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat. It looks so yummy. It looks so yummy. Now we have our cooked ramyeon noodles. I'm going to pour this sauce on it and then top it with some medium boiled egg. Oh my god, guys. My mouth is watery already. Looks so, oh, it tastes so good. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.